Top 25 common collocations with exercises.
Before start, prepare a pen and a notebook.
Make an effort. Take a break. Have a good time. Give advice. Do homework. Make a decision. Pay attention. Break the news. Save money. Take notes. Keep a promise. Give a presentation. Make progress. Have a conversation. Make a mistake. Take a photo. Pay a compliment. Break a record. Keep a secret. Make an appointment. Take an exam. Have a meal. Do research. Make a phone call. Take care. Take a seat. Keep an eye on. Miss the bus.
Practice time.
She always makes an effort to excel in her studies. Let's take a break and have a cup of coffee. We had such a have a good time at the party last night. Could you give advice about what to wear to the interview? I need to do homework for my English class tonight. It's not easy to make a decision about which university to attend. During the lecture, remember to pay attention to the professor. I need to break the news to my parents that I'm moving abroad. To buy a car, I need to save money more diligently. Make sure to take notes during the lecture to review later. I always keep my promise to visit my grandparents every summer. Tomorrow, I have to give a presentation about climate change. With consistent practice, you'll make progress in your language skills. During lunch, I had a conversation with my colleagues. Don't worry if you make a mistake during the test. Learn from it. I want to take a photo of the beautiful sunset. It's always nice to pay a compliment when someone looks great. The athlete managed to break a record in the 100-meter sprint. Can you keep a secret that I'm planning a surprise party? I need to make an appointment with the dentist for a checkup. Describe your feelings before and after you take an exam in a challenging subject. Write a menu for a special dinner you'd like to have a meal for your family or friends. Choose a topic you're curious about and do research online to find information. Imagine you need to make a phone call to your best friend to invite them to a party. Before you leave, remember to take care of your plants. As the meeting started, everyone took a seat around the conference table. Can you keep an eye on my bag while I go to the restroom? I woke up late and ended up missing the bus this morning.